Good day, good vibes, and welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation will focus on grounding, so let's jump straight into it. Make sure that you will not be disturbed, and close your eyes. And bring your presence to the room that you're in. Become mindful of how it feels. And bring your attention to your body and start to make sure that you are comfortable. Begin to scan your body. Can you feel any tension or pressure? And as you breathe out, use your breathing to help you relax and release. Take in a deep breath in through your nose, and on your out breath, let go of any tension in the body, breathing out through your mouth. Make sure you are letting out all of the air from your lungs. And take this moment to focus on your own well-being, allowing yourself this time. Take in another deep breath in through your nose, and on your out breath, let go of any tension in the body, breathing out through your mouth. Take in one last deep breath through your nose, and on your out breath, let go of any tension in the body, breathing out through your mouth. And begin to think about your connection with the earth. Your connection to Mother Nature. And start to visualize tree roots wrapping around your feet and up your lower legs, around your ankles and calves. And you can feel these roots that are connected to you going deeper into the ground. You can feel the roots pulling you closer to the earth. Visualize the roots traveling down to the earth's core. And begin to connect with the earth's energy via the roots. drawing the earth's energy up through the roots and into your body. There's an abundance of energy for you to take. Unlimited energy. Take what you need by drawing the energy up through the roots. Keep using the roots to pull the earth's energy into you. Using these strong and stable roots to connect with the earth's energy. And you can begin to feel this earth's energy filling up your whole body. And you can exchange any energy within your body that is not serving you by allowing it to travel back down the roots and into the earth. So you can make room for this new energy to flow around your body. Feel the connection that you have and keep drawing in energy that you need. Allow this new energy to renew your vibration. Recharging you from head to toe. Let the vibrations from the universe flow into you. And allow the energy to expand in and around your body. Open up to your connection with the universe and allow the energy to flow into you. Allow the energy to center you. And allow the earth's energy to ground you. Renewing yourself with universal energy. This energy is grounding you and grounding your thoughts and emotions, helping you to feel more balanced. You have taken this time to take the energy that you needed. And the universe pushed it towards you. Now you are in control of your new growth. Now you are in control of your new manifestations. Now you are ready to move forward and create your own reality. Take a moment to disconnect from the Earth's energy and begin to visualize the roots disconnecting with the Earth and unraveling from your body. Unraveling from your lower legs and feet and going back into the ground. And just take a moment to concentrate on your breathing. Slow, peaceful, and relaxed. Become aware of your physical body, beginning to think about your feet, legs, lower back, upper body, arms, neck, and head. And have a little stretch if you need to. There is no rush, you can take your time. And when you are mindful of your room and your environment, you can open your eyes.